at the end of this video, remember you are going to be the one to choose which is better for the customer or for the client. Let's shoot. So today we're going to be looking at the difference between two tubular batteries and a 5 kilowatt lithium hour battery. That's crazy. Let's go there. Now we're going to look at three factors here: the nominal capacity, the depth of discharge, and the usable capacity. Let's shoot. If a battery, for instance the two tubular battery, is connected in series, if they are connected in series, right? Now the nominal voltage is 12 volts each, right? And you know, when you connect a battery in series, what happens is that voltage increases while what? The current remains the same. We are very sharp. Now the voltage increases to what? 24 volts, while the current, which is nominal capacity 220 amps, remains the same, right? Now to get the nominal energy, NE, you are going to say nominal voltage multiplied by what? The nominal capacity, right? Now the nominal voltage is what? 24 volts multiplied by what? 220 amps. So tell us, what are we going to get? We're going to get 528. This energy is measured in watt hour. So to get it in kilowatt hour, you simply divide this by 1000, right? So we have the what? The nominal energy of this two tubular battery to be what? 5.28 kilowatt hour. Hold it there. Now let's look at the 5 kilowatt lithium hour battery. Now we all know that the nominal voltage NV of any lithium battery is what? 51.2 volt. Like I said in my last video, how do you get this 51.2 volt? In manufacturing of lithium battery, they are placed in series, they are placed in cells, and these cells are placed in what? Series. Each voltage of the series is what? 33.2 volts multiplied by what? 16 cells, right? That is how you get what? 51.2 volt. Is that clear? Now the nominal capacity of 5 kilowatt lithium hour battery is what? 100 amps hour, right? Now to get the nominal energy of a 5 kilowatt lithium hour battery, you say the nominal voltage 5.2 volts multiplied by 100 watts amps hour. Is that clear? So what do we get? Mathematician in the house, so help me. Let's do that. So you know, we move this way. We have 5120 watt hour. Then to get it in kilowatt hour, we simply divide by 1000. What do we have here? We have 5.12 kilowatt hour. Now comparing this nominal energy of two tubular battery and a 1 kilowatt lithium battery, you find out that the nominal energy of two tubular battery is higher than that of a 5 kilowatt lithium hour battery. But let's find out. Now the second factor we're going to look at is the depth of discharge of each of the batteries, that is the DOD. Now the DOD of tubular battery is what? 50%, right? Then for lithium battery, you have the DOD to be what? 90. A good one, a good lithium battery, please, a good lithium. That's why you don't have to get, you know, get quack to get it for you. Now, so these are the depth of discharge. So we're going to look at the usable capacity. We have the nominal capacity. Now let's look at what the battery, what are actually going to use out of the battery, which is the usable capacity. This nominal capacity is the normal capacity from the manufacturer. Now when you want to use it at home, let's now calculate how you are going to use it. Now let's move. We are going to calculate it using the what? The depth of discharge, which is what? 50%. Now the nominal capacity of this two tubular battery is what? 5.28 kilowatt lithium hour multiplied by the 50% depth of discharge, right, which is 0.5. I hope you are following. So this is just like dividing it into two. What do we have there? Just tell me before I get there. We're having 2.64, right, kilowatt hour. So here we are getting 2.64 kilowatt hour for this 2 tubular battery. This is the usable capacity. Right, now let's look at the usable capacity of 5 kilowatt lithium hour battery. So we say the nominal capacity 5.12 multiplied by 0.9, which is the 90% depth of discharge. Then we have 0.608 kilowatt hour. Right, so here the usable capacity of 5 kilowatt lithium hour battery is what? 4.61 approximately kilowatt hour. Now, from the usable capacity of both, which do you think is bigger or better? Of course, is just one 5 kilowatt lithium hour battery. So this is just giving you 2.6. That means for you to get equivalent of 5 kilowatt lithium hour battery, you're looking at 3 or more of this battery, which is, let's say, around it, because rounding it up to 4. So you're going to be using 4 batteries, tubular battery, that will mark, though it's going to be slightly above a 1 kilowatt lithium hour battery, but that is what you are going to compare 5 kilowatt hour lithium battery, 4 of these tubular battery, not 2 tubular battery. Now another thing with lithium battery, it has what they call BMS, battery management system. This is in charge of battery charging, control, discharging, and all of that. This tubular battery doesn't have control, so this BMS helps for the efficiency of this lithium battery. So my dear, from what you have seen so far, from the two discrepancy, which do you suggest that the customer will go for? So let's even consider the load that this client is going to use on these 2 batteries. For instance, if the total load of the client is 2000 watts, that is 2 kilowatts, and the usable capacity is 2.6 kilowatt hour. So if you divide it by the 2 kilowatts, what do you have? You're going to have 1 hour 30 seconds, and right then this same 2 kilowatts divided by the usable capacity 4.6 kilowatt hour divided by 2 kilowatts, you're going to get something around 2.35, yeah, 35 hours. So somebody using 2 tubular battery, we use it for 1 hour 30 minutes. Somebody using 5 kilowatt lithium hour battery, we use what? Just 2 hours. So which is bigger? 1 hour, 2 hours. You see that this is bigger, right? So if you need any question, please come to our DM. If you want us to design the best solar solution for your energy needs, install it anywhere across Nigeria, we are available for you. Just give us a chat and we'll be right there. Make sure you're using the best solar installer, people that can design your system properly, install properly without any issue, right? And after sales and warranty, not just somebody that will just do once and the person goes, right? So we give you all of that in our company. Kindly reach out to us and we'll be at your doorstep. Thank you for following. I'm rooting for you. Are the best. Bye.